dream kind of, that's on the bed. It's the color. It's even dark. She's easy. That's on the eye. And this is the dream. And this is the shape. Secret neuron. And that is the soft as apples, still as time. Soft as apples, still as time is the time. And that is my very first painting. This is my second painting. Yeah. That is under the whisper of the violins. Carefully, and that's my second painting. Third painting, kind of, I made it and public. During my days of arts and fashion, I studied these in my room, so it's some sort of memory. Yeah, she's lying down this way. At first, as I used the puddle color as a contemporary, but it's not very good match, so I changed the colors like this, and this is on the sand, and there's a tree branches here and there, especially the coconut trees kind of, but I can't put it in here to far away from the distraction. So